In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Google Ads. By the end, you'll feel confident updating your campaign's location targeting so your ads reach people in the right place without any confusion. First, open your Google Ads account. Start on the main dashboard so you can see your campaign overview. From here, click Campaigns. If the list doesn't immediately expand or you're taken to a summary view, click Campaigns again to make sure you're looking at the full list of campaigns you can edit. Now, locate the specific campaign you want to update. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the right one, especially if you manage several campaigns with similar names. When you've got it, look for the gear icon associated with that campaign. This icon represents settings for that campaign. Click the gear icon and then select Location. This is where you control who can see your ads based on where they are. Inside the Location section, select your new location. In this case, you're changing the country. You can type the country name into the search bar to find it quickly, then add it as your target. Make sure you're choosing the correct country and not a similarly named region or city. If your campaign was previously set to a different country, updating it here will shift your targeting, meaning your ads will begin serving to users in the newly selected location. It's important to know that changing your location targeting might affect your ad performance. Your reach can expand or contract, average costs may change, and your ads may enter a brief learning period while the system recalibrates. That's normal. Factors like audience size, competition, and local demand vary widely by country, so expect shifts in impressions, clicks, and conversions. If you notice performance changes, give the campaign a little time to stabilize before making additional adjustments. When you're sure the new country selection is correct, click Save. Saving applies the change to this specific campaign. If you have other campaigns that need the same update, you'll repeat these steps for each one. After saving, keep an eye on your metrics over the next few days. Look at impressions, click-through rate, cost per click, and conversions to understand how the new location is performing. This simple habit helps you catch trends early and make informed decisions moving forward. That's it. You opened your Google Ads account, clicked Campaigns, found your campaign, opened the gear icon, selected location, chose your new country, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your updated targeting.